Hi, I'm Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at a 1977 International Scout II straight off the cover of the November 1977 issue of Four Wheeler Magazine. As you can easily see, this is no ordinary Scout II, and this is not a restoration. This is a time capsule survivor. We just got through updating the suspension with a new Rough Country 4-inch lift, but it was originally equipped with the Rough Country lift from day one of the build. It was built by Modern Motors out of California. The build was a cross between the 70s van customization and the Baja running of the era, and it's evident in the vehicle, from the custom paint to the custom skid plates underneath and the dual auxiliary fuel tanks. I'll touch on some of the features of the truck. We've got Jackman steel wagon wheels in a 15x8. They're wrapped in a Cooper Discover AT3. The size is 33, 12, 50, 15. It also is equipped with KC halogen fog lights and custom front and rear bumpers. So when it came into our shop, it was still sitting on the 43-year-old 3.5 that was holding up excellent, but we went ahead and updated with our current 4-inch leaf spring kit, which includes front and rear leaf springs and brand new N3 shocks. I still can't get over how nice this truck is after all these years. Again, it's not a restoration, it's a survivor, and we were honored to be able to add to it and are looking forward to seeing what happens to the vehicle in the next 43 years. Straight off the November, let me start over, sorry.
Hey guys, quiet on set.
Quiet for sound.